Today I'm going to show you how to mention or tag everyone on a group on Telegram. For that, you want to add the mention bot. So you just simply search for mention bot, select the first option and tap Start. So now you can see that there's an option to add the bot to your chat. So simply tap on that option and select your group. Now you have to select Add Bot as Member. Then you have to assign the admin role to this bot. For that, just simply go to your group and tap on your group's name. And now go to Administrators. Now click on Add Admin and select the bot. Now just go back to your group and type Add All. And the bot will automatically mention everyone on that group. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please give it a like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. And I will see you on the next one. Bye!